This is very funny. This is all fun and games. But just so you know, say hello to YouTube, my friends.
What just happened?
Say hello to you.
I got like
say hello to my little friend called YouTube.
Get out of here!
What is going on? Get over here. This is no longer. I don't have fun.
No! Why? I always spawn in the same two spots.
I'll have you know you're saying hello to YouTube currently.
You haven't stopped.
Do you guys not hear a word I'm saying?
No, we don't.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
No.
Nope. Ah, yes. That was close.
Say
We
hello.
can hear you now. We can hear you.
You can?
We've
can
been
also-
able to hear you the whole time. It's just that we've been like ignoring, like kind of.
Yo, you canceled my ult. I think I'm winning.
I'm still recording the video.
Oh, thank you. You actually saved me.
Oh, I did? Oh,
Say hello to my little friend.
oh, you're still a kill.
Dang! Too good!
One shot, kill. Won't even see it coming.
Full hogs on her.
Can you
The suicide hook. The suicide hook. What do you want? How was that? I suicided the game.
Yes!
What are you doing?
Take that.
That was broken. How did you steal both of the kills?
Thank
What
you.
is-
Yes.
Yeah.
No, you guys couldn't save me.
I still got credit for the.
I still am the winner. I tried jumping! I tried jumping!
Let's just keep spamming this. Yeah, I'll show you how to.
I got that kill though.
Oh, we didn't. No, okay.
I got that kill credit.
What now?
I don't like
Keep
how you
on
guys are so
saving
good
me.
at this.
Sorry.
Wait, hold on, guys. I have a really awesome idea. So everyone to come to a side, like just of the hole, the big hole and such. Don't shoot. I want to explain what this is. I want to explain what it was, but you didn't let me.
Yeah, I know. But that was a perfect time.
Still though, come to a side of the hole, the great hole.
It's all
Alright,
close.
just any of one of the four sides. Guys, I was gonna say, I want to see if we could hook each other, all three of us, do like a chain.
It doesn't work.
Where we all die at the same time.
It doesn't work because we just cancel each other.
Oh, that's sad. You saved me from death.
Yeah, I did. Thank you.
No, you saved him.
I didn't even touch him.
I don't have whole hog. I need whole hog so I can play mate really far again.
Yeah, that's super fun.
I'm like the best whole hogger. Am I the only one with a skin?
No, I'm wearing a skin. It's not a good one.
I just don't want to. I just don't have mine.
Got him.
I have like a Roadhog skin somewhere. I just don't use it. I just don't like it.
Doing that is so fun. I don't know why. So fun. Why is it? Why is doing that so fun? No. Got him.
No, you didn't.
Got him.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Whoa! Say hello to my little friend. I call him Hooky.
Why
And I call it Shock. I call my other one Shock.
Nice monster skin.
Dang it!
Got him. You saved me. You saved me.
Yes, I did. Was I just used for entertainment there?
No.
I feel like you both just traded off your hook kill.
Yes, you were treated for entertainment there.
Bye bye. This is a very funny video. I know for a fact this is going to be very funny.
Oh, wait, you're recording?
Yes, this whole time I have been.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, yes!
Dang it!
What's your YouTube
Got him.
channel?
Same thing as my username, but just a space between the MDog
My channel
and
is
the
actually MLG Thank Me for life.
No, you don't. You don't even have a channel.
No, you don't. Oh, no, you don't. Why didn't you get turned? Why didn't you get turned? There we go.
Dang it!
I'm just spamming at this point. Where are you?
I'm gonna do a 20-minute video of us doing this, or certain other things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Haha. Yes.
What is there?
I gotta go soon.
Oh no!
What?
I saw that. I was about to save you, but then I decided to
Oh, this house.
Where do you have to go soon?
Meatball.
I have food to eat too, but you don't see me. It's called Candy. It's right next to me. It's my best friend. Dang it!
No! Why does that end like that?
Why does this have to end like this, baby? Why won't you?
Why are you playing Kuya?
Yeah, no,
Why are you letting Kuya play? Kaya hindi pwedeng...
Oh! I did not mean to. I thought you were for sure that you were going to survive that.
Tama na yan, you two are gonna do na yung ano. Come on, kumain na kayo.
Come on.
Yes!
Did you kill him?
I survived. I survived.
I got the eye of the tiger, the thrill
Yes!
of the fight. I died too.
That was the point.
Okay. Wait, guys.
I bet by this point the viewers are just gonna go, wait, what the hell is happening?
You suck at hooking.
That's because I don't play this character.
suicide!
No!
I'm super good with this character.
Yeah, a little too good. We're at 10 minutes now of us just doing this. Wow.
My love it. Hey!
Hey, I said hey.
No.
Yes. Yeah, no. No, now
Yes.
I get to say no. Now I get to say no. Let's just go play a whole bunch of deathmatch games real quick.
We can't play deathmatch games
Why?
because we're playing with 2 people party.
We can go join others.
No, I almost got
Gotcha.
you.
Gotcha.
I got a question for you.
Hold on, I want to see what all the stuff that I have from Roadhog. Seriously, dude, I want to use all the stuff that I have.
Wait, emote, and then I'm gonna do something. I think it'll look cool. Oh wait, emote. Wait, emote.
That was kind of cool.
I was seeing if it would emote in air.
You can do that, but it's just really hard. Bye bye. Welcome to the. Oh. Okay. Let's play 8-player FFA deathmatch. That's gonna be fun. Liz.
We can't.
Why?
Cause it doesn't work.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does.
Not well. I can do it in custom games. That's what I'm doing.
Okay. Wait, give it a cool name though. So people might join.
Free.
Don't do free XP. Don't do free XP because that bans both of us.
Free for all. 500%.
Roadhog.
500%. That works.
Okay then. That's 500%. Now go into the settings and do 500% on everything now.
Okay.
You said 500%, so now you have to do it.
Except for cooldowns. That's what I'm not going to do because I want infinite.
Yeah, good point.
They asked. Well, actually, I can't put everything to 500%, but I can put everything to max.
Yeah. Yep.
The design getting raised here for Sweden, but just a lot of players just losing a ton of HP. It's going to be a fall bringing everybody back together. Yep.
I said, hey, oh, what's going on?
Everything can be hacked, and everyone.
Super overpowered Sombra!
What are you talking about?
You put gravity on.
Well, there's actually 3 people. Oh wait, it's a one-shot kill. Okay, if it's a one-shot.
Woo!
Kill.
Talk about overpowered Sombra! Oh, dang.
Ya estoy lista para ese trago.
Ooh, I have an idea. I don't know how this will work, but I think it will. I'm Farah and I can barely boost. It's more to go forward. I jump higher.
Okay, that was your fault.
My love, hey.
When I die next, I'm gonna change characters. Cause I have a better idea.
Ooh, I've actually got a cool idea. I don't know who I prefer.
Oh,
Wow, he killed me. Nice. Are you kidding me? Okay, the McCree is super good.
Got you.
too good. I meant to change characters, but I was deciding on who I want to be. I sit here on the health pack, invisible. I sit here on the health pack, invisible. They're too overpowered. Oh dang!
Me agarraste en curva.
All right, left or right? Left or right? Left or right?
What do you mean?
Just answer me, left or right?
I guess right.
You have.
It's a
Yep.
perfect day for some mayhem.
Wait, what?
Back for more.
Too overpowered! Too overpowered!
You think? Ah, no! You killed Cow!
Yes! Dang it! William's too good.
If at first you don't succeed, blow it up again.
Come to me. Oh, jeez. Let me get back to my house.
Tick-tock, tick-tock. Stop moving, heard this one before.
Running around at the speed of sound going, hey! I said, hey! Where are you all?
What are you talking about? I'm nowhere. Ow.
Well, that's a good spot.
You're somewhere. Nice shout.
I
What?
killed you.
Ha! I killed your turret. Turret.
It's high noon somewhere in the world. Ow, ow, ow. My ear just
I got
died.
William. This. Oh wow.
Here we go. Oh, you really stepped it.
Oh wow. I'm gonna take care of that turret if you don't watch.
I know how to win now.
What? No.
Okay, that is a little overpowered,
If you don't
Genji.
succeed, blow it up again.
Eh.
William figured out my counter if he can use it right.
Your counter is really annoyed currently.
Dang it, he got my turret.
This bomb's for you.
Ooh.
I don't know how long this video is gonna be. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but it's gonna be funny.
I'll just leave this here.
Dang it.
Landed all along.
Oh, you're around here somewhere. Gotcha.
Stop destroying my turret.
I gotcha.
Dooley, Dooley.
I'll get you.
Thanks a licking.
Eugene, no cat. Ooh.
Ah!
I ulted at the perfect time. My turret was about to die.
I'll get
My
you.
turret's still alive. Every time.
Ah!
Well, that's a fine how do you do. Ah,
Where? Like, what the hell?
Okay, wait. How about you guys try to destroy my turret? I'm not gonna help it. I'm not gonna help you guys. Or I'm not gonna kill you guys. You guys just have to try to. No, not me.
And Sweden. That makes a series 2 and 2. 50 games back. We're going to get a
Back to the
Ah.
exactly.
Dooley, Dooley.
I wasn't sure if you guys were here. Okay. Oh, I'm dead.
Yes! Ah! Gotcha.
What killed it? Oh, we have a. There we go. It's back.
Hell.
Thanks a licking. Keeps on ticking. You'll like this one. If you can't handle the heat, stay out of the kitchen.
Are you kidding me?
I own this spot. I own it. I am the master.
Gemeinsam kämpfen wir.
Are you
Hell.
sure about that?
Hell. You're still
It's
dead.
called.
though.
I'm gonna try to kill him.
Still dead.
Rise and shine.
I'm just throwing armor.
Sad.
No! Just stop it, Mercy! Mercy, please!
Well, that's a good spot.
side, you realise that yes, I was out and about. Actually, get a trouble behind the wrist squad. Yes, players from Sweden play.
What?
I have it. I have the one counter to all of you guys.
Oh. Oh, you're them.
You'll like this one.
Dang it! It's just a always a flying.
Wir.
They're just camping the spot now.
Are you kidding me? What happened?
I had no idea, but that was amazing! I got that on camera!
Who's playing Mercy?
That was amazing!
Okay, wait.
Oh my god, I wish you could see what I was doing!
Wait, let me troll him. You guys just don't battle there. I'm gonna try to kill him.
Mayhem.
Alright.
I want to see how many I can kill with it.
Dang it! Have fun! Yes, this game.
Nitro!
All on Delta!
Oh, this is gonna make it so much easier on me now. Because I can just spam my Q. As soon as it goes away, I
Wait,
can
what?
I can just spam my Q. Oh, dang it.
Dude, you're almost winning!
Thanks a licking. It's on ticket.
I just slapped someone with my hand.
Enemy
5 kills remaining. It's just fun.
If you don't succeed, blow it up again.
Torbjorn can beat Torbjorn? Wait, what? Wait, since when can a Torbjorn beat Torbjorn?
That's the thing, you don't know!
Are you kidding me? There's a good Torbjorn. Oh no. Torbjorn beat Torbjorn. No! No! He won! He took the lead right out of my hands! Quadruple kill.
Oh hell nah! Alright, take him off. Take him off, seriously.
Yeah. That's why I'm sending it back. Heroes.
We take him off.
That's Torb. That's Torb.
I'm adding that person as a friend though. They're funny. Sweet. God, the two teams have been going at it for a while now, and I'm just waiting for them to finish their game. Overwatch finals are awesome. Alright, now let's play.
Okay. 1 sec.
Invite party. I've invited the overpowered Torbjorn. You should have seen my POV though. It's pretty funny.
Wait, let's try to get him to pick Torbjorn. I nursed him so much.
Is Torbjorn just Torbjorn now?
Try playing Torb if you really want it.
Perfect day for some mayhem.
Oh yes, he's playing Torb. He can't do anything. It's hard to kill you.
Yes!
Of course. Yes.
Fire in the hole!
Haha.
Dang it.
He just comes. Oh my god, that was amazing!
Just how I drew it.
Oh my god. Was that a kill?
You got mine?
I do. Does he?
Your life is
Oh my god. This is some serious spamming.
Me and him are having a duel.
I'm currently seeing that.
Dang it. I tried to ult. I don't know what I was expecting. You can't spam jump. We're gonna leave the game. No, we're gonna do this.
What?
And then we're gonna do settings.
What are you doing?
And then we're gonna click this. Then we're gonna go do this. And then we're gonna
I
do
swear if that's in
this.
my way.
And then we're gonna go here. Do this.
Ah! We're at over 31 minutes now of recording.
Wait, what? How?
I've been recording this entire time. This video is going to be called Roadhog and Torbjorn Catastrophe.
It's just everything. You're trying to catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. I literally just fly.
Oh, you have... Ooh. Why am I only allowed to be Reinhardt? Hold on!
Oh, yeah.
How far? How? Oh.
BRB.
Wait, hold on. Where are you? Where are you going?
What?
Yeah,
I know. Oh, but I know one that I need to give to you. You have to eat this one.
Well, everyone's say hello to YouTube. I'm MLPMDog here, and I'm with Delta, my awesome friend on this game. I also have a couple other people. Yeah, I'm still trying to friend Flower, and soon my favorite players. Got it. Anyways, I'm MLPMDog, and this has been the end of the video. I don't know if at all any of this has recorded. Yeah, game over. I'm MLPMDog out.